Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got some exciting news for you, all you home buyers and sellers out there. The National Association of Realtors has just finalized the 2024 real estate settlement. Whether you're planning to buy your home dream or sell one, these updates are crucial to making informed decisions. So let's dive into the 7 key points you need to know about the 2024 NAR settlement. Number 1, more transparency in transactions. First up, there's greater transparencies now. Sellers must disclose more details about properties, conditions, and histories. This means as a buyer, you'll know exactly what you're walking into. Number 2, enhanced buyer protections. Next, buyer protections are stronger than ever. There's a new buffer period where buyers can back out if something major pops up in the final inspection. Super handy, right? Number 3, streamline closing process. Say goodbye to closing headaches. The process has been streamlined with digital documentation and faster transaction times. Buying or selling, you're in for a smoother ride. Number 4, new loan disclosure rules. Attention to detail alert. Lenders now have to disclose all terms upfront in simpler language. No more jargon that sounds like it's from another planet. Number 5, update appraisal standards. For both buyers and sellers, knowing the true value of a property is gold. With updated appraisal standards, there's an added layer of fairness and accuracy. Number 6, tax incentive for first-time home buyers. Here's a treat for first-time home buyers. Enjoy new tax incentives that make stepping into your new home a bit easier on your wallet. And not last but least, number 7, green housing initiatives. And lastly, for the eco-friendly folks, the settlement promotes green housing initiatives. Expect more eco-friendly homes on the market, making your living space healthier and helping the planet. So whether you're looking to buy or sell, the new 2024 NAR settlement is designed to make the process fairer, faster, and more transparent for everyone. Exciting times ahead in the real estate world. And that's a wrap for today's rundown. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Want more updates and tips? Follow me on social media and join our fantastic community. The links are right below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep aiming for your real estate dreams. They're closer than you think.